Hello, my name is Alberto Coates and I am Managing Director at Area Difesa. We would like to show you today our maintenance ultrasound station for weapons ADL47 12. Before we start this demonstration, just one important recommendation. You always have to remember not to activate the machine before putting water inside the ultrasound area. This because you may seriously risk to damage the resistors which are heating the water of the machine. If we look at this machine, you can see that it is produced with stainless steels and it is equipped with a chart mounted on wheels to move your machine in your labs. If we go to the upper part of the machine, there is a back panel with some support components to store and to place some basic tools such as screwdrivers, hammer and so on, but there are also some support components to put your weapons, rifles as well pistols. This is a basic configuration, a standard configuration which can be customized as you prefer. This machine has an operative capacity of 40 liters and, as already told, you can clean simultaneously 4 to 6 rifles or a certain number of pistols. If we look at the working area, you can see that there are 3 main sections. There is a central one with a main basket where the ultrasounds are operating and where you place your weapons to be cleaned. There are 2 additional small baskets which can be used to clean smaller components such as screws or springs or whatever. There is another basket, a closed one, which can slide on top of the machine. This can be used either to cover the ultrasound area or to place on it the weapons and, for instance, to dry once we have cleaned with an air compressor. In front of the machine there is another area equipped with a grid which can be used, for instance, to lubricate your weapons. We always suggest to disassemble the weapons before you clean, because in this case you will have the best possible result. If we go to the front part of the machine, you see that there is a control panel, very easy, very simple to use, is almost plug and play. There is a main power switch to activate the machine. There is a switch for a resistor to activate the resistor which are warming up the water. There is a thermostat with a temperature tuning. We recommend an operating temperature of about 40 degrees, no more. And there is a switch with a timer to activate the ultrasound. On this area, you can see there are 2 taps. One is used to empty the water area, the area where there are the ultrasounds, and there is another tap which you use to empty the area where you are lubricating your weapons. So we are now going to make this demo, and during the demo you will not hear anything because of the noise and interferences generated by the ultrasound. We are going to take 2 pieces of glass. We are writing with a pencil and with an ink marker. We are putting another piece of glass on top of this just to create an area which is difficult to reach, is difficult to clean. We are going to activate the ultrasound. So you can see how in a few seconds basically both pencil and ink were removed from the piece of glass. This is just in a few seconds. If you can assume that the recommended cleaning time is about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you can imagine how will be the result on your weapons. So that's all regarding this presentation. Thanks a lot for your attention, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks again and best regards.